Hi guys, it's Cynthia from Purgatory Paranormal. Just come home from work because we're in the middle of this crazy storm. Bombogenesis, they call it again, with the snow. And the wind is crazy. I don't know if you can see it, but my next door neighbor, I don't know, I can try to move it in here. See that there? There's a big tree came down on her property. It's a bummer too. It's a really nice tree. Anyway, I thought maybe I'd give you a taste of what it sounds like. It's crazy. That's a really nice tree. It's really a sin. But I came home because the power at work was going on and off, and there was no point in staying there. My husband and my son are out with the fire department because they're members, and the county is just going insane with car accidents and trees on wires and transformer fires. So I'm home now. I thought I'll do a ghost box session. It's been a busy week and a lot of things going on here, but I thought let me do a session while I'm here in the middle of all this craziness. Anyway, we have a lot of big trees around our house, so I always have to warn the kids, if you're here and you hear a cracking noise, run into the hallway because their bedrooms are on the tree side here. Listen to that wind. It's supposed to get worse too. Crazy. And the power's going on and off here as well, so I was going to try to do the session with the amp and the pedal, but we'll see how far I get. So just as I was about ready to start filming, the power went out. So no amp or pedal, and I've got a lantern lighting the mug, and I've got this flashlight that I can put on the radio. I had the window open still, and when I came back, the wind had blown the door shut and blown the radio right onto the floor. Thankfully, the 2125 is a hardy little radio, and it's fine, but the wind is just howling out there. So, let's just do a quick spirit box session, and hopefully the lights will come back on soon. We can hook up the amp and the pedals. Hello, spirits. It's Cynthia. It's kind of a crazy day today. The weather is pretty wild. Is there anyone here with me today who would speak with me? Is there anyone here with me today? Hi, who's that?
Been a number
Me? Who is me? Can you tell me your name? Try to use the radio to speak to me. Found someone? Who did you find? Is it me that you're talking about? You found me? Can you tell me your name? In? Can you tell me your name, Spirit? Do you know my name? Do you know who I am? Can you say hello to me so that I know that you're here? Can you say hello to me? Hello, Cynthia. Can you use this radio to speak with me today? It's hard to hold this flashlight up, spirits. It's tiring. The lights are out here because of the weather. It's dark, yes. Oh, it's light outside. It's dark in the house.
Get the right temperature.
Spirits, do you know what's going on outside with the weather? What's going on with the weather, spirits? Do you see what happened in my neighbor's yard, spirits? What happened there? Wow, it's really blowing.
Now through.
Spirits, will the bad weather end soon?
Yes.
Will you please try to speak to me today, spirits? I would appreciate it.
For a while.
Please? Okay, now come on. Be nice about it. Let you speak? I'd like you to speak to me.
These are great.
What was that? Who's here with me? Can you tell me your name? Grieves thee. Why does it grieve thee? What grieves thee, spirit? Does it grieve thee that you can't speak to me? I'm not a witch.
Whiten your...
I'm not a witch, spirits. I'm a living human. Were you once a living human?
Put out for that. Three.
Were you once a living human, spirit?
When you...
Danger? There's no danger here. Can you tell me, spirit, when did you live?
And you'll fix...